Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you people are doing extremely well. So today we are going to solve another lead code problem statement, that is jump game. So in this problem statement you have given an array and you have to figure it out whether starting from first index you will able to reach at the last index or not. If you will able to reach at last index, then you have to return true, or else you have to return false. So for an example, we'll see the given array, whatever we have. So what you have to do at index 0, whatever value you have, you can jump at most that many number of times. For example, here we have 2. It means you can jump 1 point and also you can jump twice as well. Okay. At index 1, if you will see, we have 3. It means you can jump at most 3 times. So let's say this is 1, this is second, and this is third. So in this case you already reached to this index, last index, so you just have to return true boolean value. So let's consider another example. So here you have 3, 2, 1, 0 and 4. Index starts from 0 and it will go up to length minus 1. If you are at first index and here you have given number 3, it means you can jump at most 3 times. So this is 1, 2, 3. Now here we have 2, it means you can jump at most 2 times. So 1, 2. Here we have 1, it means you can jump at most only 1 time. So here. Now you can see we don't have any possibility to reach at index 4. This position. So in this case, you have to return false. Quickly jump to the whiteboard and we'll see what approach we have to follow in order to solve this kind of problem statement. Okay, so here we have given an array. So let me quickly write this down. And index starts from 0, it will go up to length minus 1. So how we are going to solve this problem statement? So first thing what we require is, as we know, the given number whatever we have at index 0, that many times we can jump. So here we have 2, it means we are jumping twice, at most 2 times. We have 3, then we can jump at most 3 times. So 1, 2 and 3. So if you will see what we are doing, we are just adding these two values, the given element with index. So it means 2 plus 0 is 2. So if you are standing at first index, you can jump at most index 2. So here you can see we can jump at most till index 2. If you are at this position and if you will add the given element with the index, so if you can jump at most index 4. So in this case, we will able to reach at the end. So we have to return true. Okay. Now, okay. So now let's talk about the approach. What approach we have to follow? So first thing is whatever index you have, right? This will be your I. So first you have to declare one variable called max jump, and you have to calculate this every time. You have to initialize this one with 0. So now when you are at index 0, what you have to do? You just have to add the element with index. So you are getting this value. So initially max jump is 0. So this 2 is greater than 0. So you just have to update the max jump by 2. Okay. I plus plus. I will come at this position. So what it will do? Again, it will add these two elements. So 3 is the element and index is 1. So you will have 4. So here you can see you can reach up to index 4. So in this case, you have already reached to the end. So you just have to return true. So let's consider another example with this approach. So this is the example we have. What we have to do, same thing. Index will start from 0. So let me quickly write this down. And index will go up to length minus 1. So again max jump. I will be here. So first time we will just add it 3 plus 0. So it will be 3. So max jump will get updated by 3. I plus plus. Again we have 2 plus 1, that 2 plus 1, that will be your 3 only. So we have already 3, so we don't have to update it. I plus plus. Again 1 plus 2, it will be 3. So we have already max jump 3, so we will not update it. I plus plus. In this case also 3 plus 0, so we already have 3, we will not update it. Now once I will reach here, it will see the value of I is greater than max jump. It means by this time we didn't able to reach at this index. In that case, we have to return false. Okay. So let me quickly jump to the Leetcode compiler and we'll write the same approach whatever we have discussed here. Okay. So the first thing what we need is max jump. So we have to initialize this with 0. We have to start the iteration from 0 and it will go up to length minus 1, and every time the value of I will increment. Now here what we have discussed, the first thing, like, you need to check if the value of I is greater than max jump, then simply return false. It means you did not able to reach to that particular index, so we will consider that we will not able to reach there. In the very next step, we have to calculate the max jump, maximum value. So we have to use math.max. It will be either the max jump will be greater or nums of I, means current element plus index. Whichever is greater, that we have to consider. And at the end, we just simply have to return the value true. If this condition is not true, it means you have already reached to its last index. So let me quickly submit this solution and we'll see whether it's working properly or not. Okay. So here you can see both the test cases is accepted. Now let me submit this solution. Okay. So here you can see all the test cases, 175 test cases passed. So this is the approach we have to follow in order to solve problem statement related to jump game. So that's it about this video. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day.